days. Now I'm on the way to go to the lakeside and join some friends for barbecue. And I'm also going to try my first paddling.
Hey!
Hi!
You are listen. You see you on our job. We did Friday. We have summer in the map.
Oh, looks nice.
Which are I will try it. We have the same, so it means that because we have the same like No.
Sunday.
Got that chocolate, that yum yum, come give me some. Cotton candy, sweet as gold, it's soft like a sugar plum. Roll up that Tootsie, that Hershey, that bubble gum. I got a sweet tooth for love, baby, give me some. I wanna love it so deep I can feel it way down in my soul. Right cheek, left cheek, right cheek. Te gusta que mueva el culo. Si wanna lick on the lolly, I lick like a pro. Blow pop, ring pop, blow pop. Así te lo hago yo. I'm a boss, you gon' do what I say.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Bonjour tout le monde. Today's video is about unboxing a new toy I bought today. Actually, it's not very new. It's already released last year since November. So here it is. It is an iPad Pro, 11-inch, 256 GB. And so here it is. I'm going to unbox it. And this is my old one. I bought it like 6 years ago. It is the second generation of the iPad. Oh my god, 7 years old now. Okay, I decided to update all my gears because this summer I lost my Apple Watch and iPhone 10. My bag got stolen in Ibiza when I was traveling to Spain. So I think it's time to update all my gears. So that's why I bought my new Apple Watch Generation 4 with a beautiful cover, bling 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 cover. And also my iPhone X10, which I'm using it to do my video, so I cannot show you. So let's get started and open it. Yeah! It's very smart. And when I'm doing that, I feel so good. Oh my god. Ding, 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 ding. Oops. Come out. Well, the customer service experience is not very good. I cannot take it out. Oh my god. Here. Okay, you need thin fingers. Wow, here it is. It is very thin. It is very thin, very beautiful. Ooh. Wow, I can see myself here. Okay. So what is it? Of course, instructions. And here it is. Ding, 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 ding. Weird. Wow, the camera is... Here's the camera. Oh, damn, I don't know how to open it. Because there's no home button. Here. Doesn't work. Ah, yes. Zurich for the street parade. So this is what I'm wearing. It's some ridiculous stuff. So I'm ready to go to Zurich. I'm going to take this on the train. A bottle of red wine to share with friends. My lunchbox of fruit. It's a flat peach and the yogurt. So I'm ready. Let's go. Honestly, I feel ridiculous walking like that on the street. That's why I took out my sunglasses. I think it is better now. Still I feel awkward. Essayez encore tes rouges à lèvres.
Tiens, je te le repère.
No, it's extreme.
No, I think the dark color fits you well. Well, you can be a beauty vlogger. Beauty vlogger.
Non, et celui-là, tiens, celui-là il est vraiment.
And I put it on the red one.
Beauty time of yours. Wow, it's really, I love it. Yeah. It's really.
I don't have black. I have purple.
Purple. Wow, this one. What's the brand it is?
It's
Bourgeois, French. Yeah. Tatiana, can you try it now?
I'm gonna try it.
Okay.
She's documenting it.
I'm documenting. Yeah. You need to hire your real hair.
Let me take a photo.
Ah, beautiful, beautiful.
You look like an anime, you know?
Yeah. You look like the mermaid, one of the mermaids. Yeah. Look, guys. I cannot tell they're my friends, but they actually are my friends.
Non, ça